Intact, and this whole afternoon we have been talking about the art and cultural heritage of our country, and I guess we all realize that we are doing it for prosperity and for the future generations ultimately to realize that what their whole heritage was all about. Somewhere down the line, Intact thought that it's very important to bring in the young generation, the future citizens of our country, into the mainstream thinking about preservation of architectural and cultural heritage. And this year, in association with the Sri Venkateshwara College of Architecture, we decided to launch a scheme where the young minds, to begin with the students of architecture, could be introduced to the concept of heritage, preservation and protection. And we thought of selecting one monument or one building of heritage value in this city, which could be hypothetically put into a readaptive use. So that was the basic background of this project. How it all started was that in order to inculcate certain sensitivity into the students, into the young citizens of our country, we will have to initiate a program where when they become older and senior citizens, they would continue to have the same sensitivity in a little better informed manner rather than just being emotional about the heritage part of the whole. See, we are also not talking about, like the earlier speakers had mentioned, it's not just the monuments which are getting endangered in my opinion, it's also the very craft of architecture which is getting endangered. We might be able to preserve some of these beautiful monuments and keep them in those compounds very well protected, but we have to understand what's happening to our cities. As a city, are we able to create beautiful cities in future? Most of our new parts of the cities look very bad, very crowded. So the whole idea is to sensitize the young minds that how do you take architectural, cultural history, architectural heritage into modern day thinking. And with this concept, we selected this year the Mehboob Mansion, which was one of the residents of the Swail Nizams, which is now located in Malakpet area. It's in a very dilapidated condition, and there are some other historical facts about it, the owners and the government contradicting positions about ownerships and many issues. But ultimately what has happened that it has reached to a stage where it is almost, in another year's time, probably if you leave it like that, it will just vanish. Government has now probably decided to do something about it with the owners having their own right on it. We took that up as a challenge where students would be invited to have a look at it and suggest some readaptive use to it. In this process, SVCA took up the leadership role and organized the whole competition. 8 colleges of architecture from the state of Andhra Pradesh participated in it. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate both the organizing college, SVCA, and the students members who participated in it. As a heritage activist and member of Intact, I think we all look forward to the young generations in keeping our country's heritage forward, and I hope all of you would develop a fine sensitivity towards it and continue to integrate in your mainstream architectural practice and give respect and the due recognition that it deserves. With this, I welcome all the participants and thank you SVCA once again for helping Intact organize this event.